Carnivorous plants. Venus flytrap. The Venus flytrap is a flowering plant best known for its carnivorous eating habits. The trap is made of two hinged lobes at the end of each leaf. On the inner surfaces of the lobes are hair-like projections called trichomes, that cause the lobes to snap shut when prey comes in contact with them. To prevent the plant from wasting energy, if prey isn't actually there, the trap will only shut when the trichomes are touched multiple times. The hinge traps are edged with small bristles that interlock when the trap shuts, to ensure the prey can't squirm out. Once the insect is trapped, the leaf releases enzymes, or digestive juices. These juices break down the insect into nutrients. The leaf absorbs the nutrients and transports them to all parts of the plant. It can take a Venus flytrap 3 to 5 days to digest an organism, and then the leaf reopens, and it may go months between meals. Ants, beetles, grasshoppers, flying insects, and spiders are all victims of the flytrap. There are other carnivorous plants in the wild, but the Venus flytrap is one of the very few that exhibits motion to actively trap its prey.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.